Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Linguistics is the scientific study of language, including its structure, meaning, and use. There are approximately 7,000 languages spoken worldwide. Phonetics is the study of the physical sounds of human speech. Morphology is the study of the internal structure of words and how they are formed. Syntax is the study of sentence structure and the rules governing the arrangement of words in a sentence. Let's talk about semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning in language, including the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Psycholinguistics is the study of the psychological and cognitive aspects of language, including language acquisition and processing. Sociolinguistics is the study of how language varies and changes in different social groups and cultural contexts. Major language families include Indo-European, Afro-Asiatic, Sino-Tibetan, and Niger-Congo, among others. The Sapir-Whorf hypothesis suggests that language influences. Lingua franca is a common language used for communication between speakers of different native languages. Pragmatics is the study of how context influences the interpretation of language, including the use of language in social situations. A language is a complex system of communication with its own grammar and vocabulary, while a dialect is a variation of a language spoken in a specific region. Linguistics relativity posits that the structure and vocabulary of a language can shape and influence the way its speakers perceive and think about the world. Code switching is the practice of alternating between two or more languages or dialects within a conversation. So, languages become endangered due to factors like globalization, cultural assimilation, and declining speaker population. The IPA is a standardized system for representing the sounds of spoken language using a set of symbols. So these sounds are 44 symbols. That's called phonetic alphabet or phonetic symbols. That's also called phonetic transcription. Soon the videos will be uploaded on phonetic symbols. Prescriptive linguistics provides the rules for correct language usage, while descriptive linguistics observes and analyzes how language is actually used. Bilingualism has been associated with cognitive benefits such as improved problem solving and multitasking abilities. Cognates are words in different languages that share a common origin and have similar meanings. A linguistics taboo is a social prohibition against using specific words or expressions in certain contexts. Linguistics study ancient languages through written records, comparative analysis, and reconstruction methods. Linguistics universals are patterns or features found in the languages of all cultures, suggesting common underlying structures or principles. Dialects often serve as markers of regional or social identity and contribute to the richness of cultural diversity. Discourse analysis examines the structure and patterns of communication in spoken or written language, focusing on the broader context and social implications. In a monolingual society, one language is predominantly spoken, while a multilingual society involves the use of multiple languages. Sign languages have their own grammatical rules and linguistic structures similar to spoken languages. Translating idioms can be challenging due to cultural nuances and variations in expressions that may not have direct equivalents in another language. Syntax helps structure sentences, influencing the meaning conveyed and relationships between words in a sentence. Linguists classify languages into families based on shared linguistic features, vocabulary, and historical relationships. Linguistic imperialism refers to the dominance of one language over others, often as a result of political or economic power. Children often acquire languages more easily and quickly than adults, showcasing a critical period for language learning. Onomatopoeia involves words that imitate or resemble the sounds associated with the objects or actions they describe. The IPA is used to language teaching to help learners accurately pronounce and understand the sounds of a foreign language. Linguistic anthropology studies the relationship between language and culture, exploring how language reflects and shapes social practices and beliefs. Language can reinforce or challenge gender stereotypes through the use of gender-specific terms, pronouns, and linguistic structures. The last but not the least for this video is question number 40. The Wolffian hypothesis suggests that language influences thought and perception, sparking debates about the extent of this influence. That's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, you can like this video, you can share this video as well, and meet you soon with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.